Have you ever considered how the artificial intelligence tools we use every day, especially in education, might unintentionally reflect our own human imperfections? It is a fascinating and crucial topic, especially as AI becomes more integrated into learning environments. Human bias in data annotation for artificial intelligence occurs when people, who are tasked with labeling or categorizing data for AI training, inadvertently or even intentionally introduce their personal prejudices, stereotypes, or subjective viewpoints into that data. This means the very foundation upon which an AI system learns can be skewed before the AI even begins its work. This phenomenon happens because human annotators are not blank slates. They bring their life experiences, cultural backgrounds, and inherent cognitive biases to the task. For example, confirmation bias might lead an annotator to favor labels that align with their existing beliefs, while in-group bias could result in more favorable or detailed annotations for data points representing groups they identify with. If a data set meant to train an AI on fair student assessment is predominantly annotated by individuals with a single cultural perspective, the AI might learn to inadvertently discriminate against students from other backgrounds, simply mirroring the biases embedded in its training data. To address this critical issue, educators and AI developers can take proactive steps. Implementing rigorous training for annotators that highlights common human biases is essential. Furthermore, creating diverse annotation teams, who representing various demographics and perspectives, helps to balance out individual biases. Establishing clear, objective annotation guidelines and regularly auditing the labeled data are also crucial to maintain data integrity. An interesting detail here is the concept of a fair representation model. Beyond just having diverse annotators, developers sometimes employ techniques like inter-annotator agreement, where multiple annotators label the same data point. Discrepancies then highlight ambiguity in the data or potential bias in a single annotator, allowing for review and refinement. This practice helps to move closer to a truly objective ground truth for the AI to learn from. Understanding and actively mitigating human bias in data annotation is vital for ensuring that the artificial intelligence tools we deploy in our classrooms are fair, equitable, and effective for all students. By being aware of these biases and applying careful annotation practices, we can build more responsible AI systems that truly support personalized learning and uphold the integrity of our educational goals.